A world of variety unveiling biodiversity. Our planet teems with life. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, life exists in a dazzling array of forms. This incredible variety of life, in all its forms and interactions, is what we call biodiversity. It encompasses every living thing, from the smallest insects to the largest whales. It also includes the vast range of ecosystems they inhabit, from lush rainforests to arid deserts. Biodiversity is more than just a count of species. It's about the intricate web of relationships between these species and their environments. It's about the genetic diversity within each species, which allows them to adapt and evolve over time. This intricate tapestry of life is what makes our planet so unique and vibrant. Understanding biodiversity is crucial. It is the foundation upon which all life, including our own, depends. Without it, our planet would be a very different place. The web of life, how everything is connected. Imagine a spider web, delicate yet strong. Each strand is connected, and a disturbance in one part sends ripples throughout the web. This is a simple way to visualize the interconnectedness of life on Earth, a concept that lies at the heart of biodiversity. Different species rely on each other for survival. Plants need insects for pollination, while animals depend on plants or other animals for food. This interdependence forms a complex web of relationships, where each species plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Genetic diversity within species is equally important. Just like a diverse portfolio protects an investor, genetic diversity within a species acts as insurance against diseases and environmental changes. A diverse gene pool makes a species more resilient and adaptable. The interconnectedness of life means that the loss of even a single species can have far-reaching consequences, disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems and impacting other species, including humans. Why should we care? Biodiversity underpins our world. Biodiversity is not just a matter of preserving nature's beauty, it's about safeguarding the very systems that sustain us. Our planet's ecosystems provide us with essential services, often called ecosystem services, that are crucial for our survival and well-being. These services are like the invisible hands that keep our planet habitable. They purify our air and water, regulate our climate, pollinate our crops, and provide us with fertile soil. These services are not luxuries, they are the foundation of our economies, our health, and our very existence. Losing biodiversity means jeopardizing these essential services. It's like removing the threads from the web of life, weakening its structure and making it more vulnerable to collapse. Nature's services, from clean air to fertile land. Let's delve deeper into the crucial ecosystem services provided by biodiversity. One of the most important services is pollination. Bees, butterflies, bats, and even some birds act as nature's messengers, carrying pollen from one flower to another, enabling plants to reproduce. This process is vital for agriculture, as it allows for the production of fruits, vegetables, and nuts that make up a significant portion of our diet. Forests and oceans act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigating climate change. Wetlands act as natural sponges, absorbing excess rainfall, preventing floods, and filtering pollutants from water, ensuring a clean water supply. Soil fertility, essential for agriculture, is also a product of biodiversity. The decomposition of organic matter by microorganisms in the soil releases nutrients that are essential for plant growth. Section 5. Biodiversity's economic boon, nature's hidden treasure chest. Beyond these essential services, biodiversity also holds immense economic value. Many industries rely directly on biodiversity for their raw materials and products. Agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and pharmaceuticals all depend on the diversity of life for their success. For instance, the discovery of new medicines often starts with plants and animals found in diverse ecosystems. The rosy periwinkle, a plant native to Madagascar, provides a striking example. It contains compounds used to create life-saving drugs for treating childhood leukemia and Hodgkin's disease. Tourism, a significant contributor to many economies, also relies heavily on biodiversity. People travel from all over the world to experience the beauty of coral reefs, the majesty of rainforests, and the thrill of wildlife safaris. Section 6. Beyond money. The cultural and aesthetic value of nature's tapestry. While the economic and ecological benefits of biodiversity are undeniable, Its value extends far beyond monetary gains and essential services. Biodiversity enriches our lives in countless ways, shaping our cultures, inspiring our arts, and providing us with a sense of wonder and connection to the natural world. For centuries, nature has been a muse for artists, writers, and musicians. From the intricate patterns of a butterfly's wings to the awe-inspiring vastness of a starry night sky, nature provides endless inspiration for artistic expression.
Many indigenous cultures have deep spiritual connections to nature. They view themselves as part of the web of life, not separate from it. Their traditions and knowledge systems are often rooted in a deep understanding and respect for the natural world.
Section 7. The Price of Loss, a World in Jeopardy. The consequences of biodiversity loss are far-reaching and potentially catastrophic. As we lose species and degrade ecosystems, we are weakening the very fabric of life on Earth, putting our own survival at risk. The decline of pollinators, for instance, poses a significant threat to global food security. A decline in bee populations could lead to lower yields of fruits, vegetables, and nuts, impacting food prices and availability. The destruction of habitats such as rainforests and coral reefs not only results in the loss of countless species but also disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystems. Section 8. Safeguarding our future. A call to action. The situation may seem dire, but there is still hope. We can reverse the trend of biodiversity loss and protect our planet's natural heritage for generations to come. It requires a concerted effort from individuals, communities, governments, and organizations worldwide.
The first step is to raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity and the threats it faces. Education is key to fostering a sense of responsibility and inspiring action. We need to educate ourselves and future generations about the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity.
Supporting conservation efforts is crucial. This can be achieved through donations to organizations dedicated to protecting endangered species and their habitats. Section 9. Individual impact, small steps, big difference. While it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the scale of the challenge, it's important to remember that individual actions can make a difference. Every step we take, no matter how small, contributes to the collective effort to protect biodiversity. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to contribute is by making conscious consumer choices. Opt for sustainably sourced products, reduce your consumption of single-use plastics, and choose products from companies committed to environmental responsibility. Reducing your carbon footprint is another crucial step. This can be achieved by walking, cycling, or using public transport instead of driving, conserving energy at home, and choosing energy-efficient appliances. Section 10. United for Change, Collective Action for Biodiversity. While individual actions are important, addressing the biodiversity crisis requires collective action on a larger scale. Governments, organizations, and communities need to work together to implement policies and initiatives that protect our planet's natural heritage.
Establishing protected areas where human activities are restricted or managed to conserve biodiversity is crucial. These areas act as safe havens for endangered species and help preserve vital ecosystems.
Promoting sustainable agriculture and forestry practices is essential to reduce the impact of these industries on biodiversity. This includes reducing deforestation, minimizing pesticide use, and promoting agroforestry systems that integrate trees and crops. Section 11. A Legacy for Tomorrow, Preserving Our Planet's Wonders. The Earth's biodiversity is a precious legacy, a gift passed down to us through millions of years of evolution. We have a moral obligation to protect this legacy for future generations, to ensure that they inherit a planet as vibrant and teeming with life as the one we have inherited. The challenge is immense, but so is the potential reward. By working together, we can create a future where humans and nature thrive in harmony, where the wonders of the natural world continue to inspire and sustain us. It's a future worth striving for, a legacy worth leaving behind. Let us act now, with urgency and determination, to protect the astonishing diversity of life on Earth, so that future generations can marvel at the wonders of our planet and inherit a world where nature's symphony continues to play.